beautiful people, what's going on? Thank you for clicking on my video. So welcome to a new vlog, and we're starting off this vlog on a Sunday. So happy Sunday to you. It's actually Easter Sunday, isn't it? Yeah. We are heading out to a very bougie dress up event, and as you guys can see, I'm all dressed up. I really don't have much time to speak. I have a pickup to do, but I really wanted to show you guys my beautiful dress. It's from AliExpress. I will drop the link down below. It is gorgeous. So let's get into this fit. Let me just do a 360 for you guys. Love it. I'll try to get a better video when I'm at the party. Bag and shoes is from Shein. Watch is from JBW. Earrings are from Shein also. And the makeup by me. Hair by a local hair supply store here in Jamaica. And let's head out to the party. I will see you guys there. And if you are new here, by the way, thank you so much for clicking on the video. And I hope you watch this video all the way to the end. And I hope you subscribe. And I hope you continue to watch my videos. I will see you guys once I'm at the events.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, higher than they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
Hey guys, it is a Monday. It's Easter Monday. What's going on? So, I know we went to the party last night. I was dressed up. I looked so cute and all of that. This morning, I got up at 6 something in the morning to go to a paint water party. So hold on, give me a second. 1 second, guys. Yeah, so I was saying I went to a water and paint party this morning after 6 in the morning. So, and then got home around after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Went to sleep for 2 hours, and now it's 5:30 and I'm heading to another Soca party. So this week's vlog, because it's Carnival week in Jamaica, by the way. Let me just tell y'all, it's Carnival week in Jamaica. And I told y'all from previous vlogs ago, the girl is going to be outside, okay? So it's 5:30 now, and we are going to another Soca event. And this Soca event, they're basically gonna play old Soca's, old days plus 2000s Soca. And I'm super excited for this type of event because currently the events nowadays are only just playing the newer Soca and a few of the old songs, a few of the old days. So I am ready to party. So we're gonna go have some fun, drink responsible like we always do. I'm actually on my way to do a pickup now for my friend. I'm in New Kingston right now. So yeah, that's what's going on. Thursday, I will be picking up my costume. So you guys know I'll be, show you guys a video of that and all of that. Thursday, I'm not working. Thursday, I'm going to a Kiss. Kiss is performing at a brunch party. So I'm going there Thursday. I'm actually, today, I told you today's Monday, Easter Monday, right? Yeah, so I'm not working today. I took off today and I also took off Thursday. So let me turn on the AC. So that's that. But let me head to the party and I'll see you guys when I am there. Oh, I'm definitely gonna have to eat something though.
It needs to be warm enough by now. We can drop it low. Let's go. Drink champagne over fire. Can wine and burn like desire. The usual. Everybody put your friend on in the air right now. Hands put your friend on. How we do it today? I don't care if you don't know it. Listen. I'm gonna remember what I done in Bobby that's true. Franco, you ready? Hold on. One.
It's so sweet, yeah. Sometimes I feel like I don't want to go home, no.
Cause Soca's so sweet.
Sometimes I feel like I don't want to.
So what you wanna do? So right now I feel like a
Jump up. I feel like it.
Hey guys, what's going on? So it is a Wednesday, so happy Wednesday to you. I think the last time we spoke was probably when I went to an event on Monday. I went to a water paint powder thingy. last night I did not go anywhere. I was extremely exhausted, and I thought, why not just stay in Tuesday night, and then because I'll be going out tonight, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday, which is road march day. So I thought, let me get a night's rest for one night in and just refresh my body, so I'll be ready for the rest of the week. Now I am going to a Pet Gala. Bear in mind, this is still a Soca event. It's in the Soca Carnival week, but this is more type of a dress up event. Okay, so now the theme is black, gold, and white. So basically I have two dresses that I'm trying to figure out, and we're gonna choose together. Basically, of course you're gonna see this after the fact, but I still want your thoughts. Okay, so this dress is from Fashion Nova. I literally bought it especially for this event, black, white, and gold cravation. This is supposed to go around my neck. I don't want to put it around my neck yet because I don't know if I'm gonna wear it, and then my hair is wet and my makeup is on. So, but you get the drift of the dress, right? We got it? And it's a mini dress too. So I'm gonna try on dress number 2. So I'll be right back. Alright, so this is dress number 2, but let me tell you, I put it at the top on wrong. It needs to spin around, but I don't want to take it off and then put it on, and then I don't want to wear it. So this is dress number 2. This is so chic, y'all. Like, this definitely gives the type of event, you know. I think I'm leaning more towards this more because it's a little bit more elegant. It's a little bit more free flowing, and like I said, it is a Soca event, so I'm still gonna want to move and all of that. And the other one is a little bit more tight fitted, so I think I'm gonna leave that and wear this. And also, this would be perfect with my kitten heels. It's perfect, and I don't have to like bring any flats. The other dress number 1, I was planning to wear, let me show it to you. Yeah, so if I was wearing the black and white dress, I would have to wear this and it's in the heel, and it hurt after a while. So I would have to bring out flats. But with this outfit and the kitten heels, I don't have to wear any dress. So we're gonna go with this, and I think it goes beautifully with my wet hair. The other dress, I don't think it goes with my hair. So we're gonna do this, and my belly's not looking too big. So dress number 2 it is. Comment down below and tell me guys what you really think. But I'm gonna go with number 2. Anyways, I'm gonna finish getting ready, and I'll chat to you guys. Show you guys the full fit again once I'm ready. Alright guys, so here is the full fit. Like, oh my god, I need to plug in back my lamp. In here it's so dark. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, I feel much better as opposed to the other dress. My earrings, I haven't put them in yet because they're way too heavy, and I just want to put it in to take some pictures at the party, and then after I'm gonna remove them. So yeah, this dress is from, I think this dress is from Shein. I hope I don't see anybody in this style of dress. I just feel like I'm gonna see somebody in this style of dress. I'm not gonna lie. And then also the Fashion Nova dress, somebody may be in that because based on the style. But anyways, I was the one that bought it. So yeah, but it's so cute. Yeah, let's set out. It's Carnival week 2026, baby. Woo! Alright guys, so I am, hold on, can you guys see me? Alright guys, so I'm at the event, and granted my friends are late. I'm the only one here, but it's okay. I know a few people inside, so I'm gonna head inside now. It's food and drinks inclusive, so as I reach inside, take two nice pictures, and then I'm gonna head to the food court. So let's go in. So guys, happy Thursday. It is costume pickup day. Yay! So the party last night I went to was so fun. I didn't even get to show you guys my dress, but I'll put like a little mini video fully. I know I showed it when I was home, but not like fully when I was at the event. And I didn't vlog much at the event. I was just having like a grand time. But today is costume pickup day, and we're gonna go pick up our costume and we're gonna unbox it together, and I'm so excited. Anyways, I'm on my way down to do something, pick up something for my friends, and then I'm gonna go to the costume, pick up my costume, and then we are going to see Kes in concert today, Thursday morning at 10:51. So yeah, that's what's happening. But I'm gonna hurry up, I'm moving fast. When I get to the costume place, we will chat. Okay guys,
Exit the parking lot.
I was like, go around, just say go around where though? So I am here to pick up my costume.
In 100 meters, turn right.
See me. Hi, I'm in parking down here, sir. Yeah. The blue car. Thank you. Costume day. Oh, the man you send me up here so I come my car a little. Eh? You must send me all the way up on the thingy here. And this car is tiny AF. All right, we are here, so let's go. All right, I need my ID. So I'm gonna need to show my ID. So what they did, you can upload your ID on the platform, but you still would have to like bring it physically so they can verify. Yeah. Oh, there's no food in my teeth. All right, let's go, guys. It's 12:25. I hope I'm in out of there by 20 minutes so I can hurry up and get home to be ready for tests. Yeah. Okay, I'm inside. All right, guys. So I'm home and all dressed, and I'm ready to go to the brunch event where Kes will be performing. So now I went in to collect my costume. I was there for no more than 20 minutes. When I looked at how long the wait was gonna be, I had to leave in order to get ready to go to this event. So we did not collect our costume today, unfortunately. That's fine. I'm gonna attempt tomorrow. Carnival is Sunday. I have 2 days to collect, whether Friday or Saturday. But we're definitely not gonna go Saturday because Saturday is just gonna be because it's the last day of collection. So we're definitely gonna attempt again for tomorrow. So let's go to this brunch event. It's actually raining right now, which is kind of a good thing and bad thing, because today, guys, the sun was sunning. It was so hot today. So I'm thinking I like the rain. I like that the rain happened, which is a good thing. Anyways, we're gonna head out to the Soca event, and yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this crazy vlog. Like I said, it's Carnival week. It's just gonna be a lot of, you know, going out, getting ready, and all that to just show you, you know, what happens here in Carnival week when we party. Another thing, we are not wearing any makeup. We're bare-faced as usual. So yeah, let's go. guys, so I am home from my husband concert, meaning my husband Eagle, aka Kiss. Anyways, it was such a fun time today, and as you can see, I am dressed again. Yes, we have work tomorrow, but it's Carnival week. If you guys have been following me for years, once it's Carnival week, we're moving. Okay, we are moving. So anyways, I am going to Soca tonight. Machel is performing, so I need to hurry up and get ready. But this is a cute fit. Yeah, I figured out wear a hat. I just wanted to have like a different look without, yeah, I actually wanted a different look. So I thought the hat would go well. And yeah, I like it. But I hope you guys are enjoying this crazy vlog. Tomorrow we have work, plus we're gonna attempt to pick up our costume again. But anyways, we're gonna go out to see Machel Montano. So let's go. Let's go. This is it. Alright guys, so I pulled up at the event. It is so crowded. It's oh wait, I'm getting a call. 1 second guys. So I didn't get to talk to you. I was in the car, but anyways, I am heading inside, so let's go.
I want foreigners then. Where the foreigners? Any Canadians? Where the freaking Canadians? Anybody from England?